Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package, and we do get the tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera, drop-in bed liner, or tough-in spray liner, my bad. You got hooks and doodads, lights, all that fun. Mud flaps on the rear, and front gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, you got heated door mirrors, turn light indicated mirrors, and move to the front, we got a nice block heater, license plate bracket, recovery hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and blue leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back with cup holders. We got rear vents with a 12 volt, 2 USBs, 110 volt, and of course a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a fully powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is going to be sitting at 154,533 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrap steering wheel, volume, play-by-play forward mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, toggle-free screen, where we do get your display mode, trip and field, towing, off-road, and other settings. And like you saw before, you do get a digital speedometer. We got our gear select, drive mode, speeds, storage and cup holders with more storage below with outlets. You do get your center console as well with tons of more storage, which is always useful. We got storage below, 12 volt and 110 volt storage on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our traction hazards and auto stop, auto start, trailer backup, little storage cubby here with rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, climate controls with rear heated defrost or rear window defrost, heated seats, volume, tune, media, and looking here on your home screen, you've got navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, navigation. You can search recent saves, zoom in and out, and any apps you may download will show up right in here with your SiriusXM traveling. Settings such as Bluetooth, mobile apps, Ford Pass, updates vehicle, valet, and shifting to reverse. We got that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB01966A, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.